Hi, my name is Đức Anh and welcome to my presentation. Today I will tell you about this very interesting and unique dinosaur that was discovered just 3 decades ago. The scientific name is Sittipati osmondsky, commonly known as the Sittipati, meaning Lord of the Funeral Pike. I have put here two pictures. One is the most complete skeleton structure, which was made from multiple specimens, and a modern reconstruction of the dinosaur. Scientists have classified the Sittipati as a specimen belong to the Saurischian and the theropod clade, even though that is still up to debate until today. It can be classified as a Saurischian dinosaur because of its three distinct three-pronged pelvis structure that you can see right here. The Sittipati hip is made from three major elements: the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis. The pubis point downward at an angle compared to the ilium, while the ischium point backward compared to the tail. This type of structure is also coined by the paleontologist Harry Seeley as bird hip, as modern birds also retain this feature from their ancient ancestor. It is noteworthy here that the term has been challenged by many modern paleontologists. Sittipati also had an extremely long and mobile neck, combined with an asymmetrical grasping hand that can be seen right here. This is another common trait between Saurischians. Sittipati is actually classified as a theropod despite many unlikely features that made it look a little bit different from, say, the famous Velociraptor. Sittipati has an extremely long neck, shortened tail. Its skull was short, highly pneumatized, riddled with openings in the bone structure, ending in a stout, toothless beak. The most distinctive feature of the Sittipati was its tall crest, similar to that of a modern cassowary. Other features that make Sittipati fit into the theropod include the narrow and compact hind foot with three functional toes that we can see right here. From the fossil site when this species was first discovered in 1993, one can also see that Sittipati, like other common theropods, lay eggs, has air-filled bones, and very possibly has feathers. One of the fossils of the Sittipati on display confirmed that nesting was one of its behavior. As you can see in this picture right here, positioned over the center of its net, the dinosaur has its forearms spread to protect its eggs from the cold or the heat. Many modern birds precisely assume this position when brooding their eggs. Until present day, the argument of which family the Sittipati belong to is still under heavy debate. The specimen, the specimen found with its tall crest in its skull made scientists speculate that while it can be closely related to the Oviraptor family, Sittipati might actually be its own genus. This dinosaur lived in the Campanian age of the late Cretaceous, around 84 to 75 million years ago. In 1995, an expedition discovered a nesting of Oviraptor specimen from the Yukar, Togo locality, a region called Camel Hump at the Dead Rose sub-locality. This is located in the Gobi Desert in Mongolia, Asia, modern day Asia. This type of dinosaur lived in the area today known as the Gobi Desert, which was considered dinosaur paradise with vast valleys, freshwater lake, and a humid climate. Part of the area was covered by dense conifer forests, crisscrossed by streams, and dotted with lakes. This makes the discovery of the Sittipati in the region not very surprising, considering many other oviraptors were also found here. The first fossil of the Sittipati was found in the Mongolian desert, which is prehistorically was not as dry. In the event of rain, water gathered in the temporary stream and drained the water to the basin and oasis. Since desert rain events are by definition few and far in between, any animals that did not live near these oases would have needed to adapt for going without waters for a long period of time. Now let's go to the dinosaur lifestyle. About its diet, based on the fossil record, Sittipati is toothless, has a huge beak, but but shallow and not long like other oviraptors. Scientists are inclined to believe that most of its diets were plants. However, that doesn't mean that meat is off the menu. It would still be possible for Sittipati to hunt and eat small animals and insects, making them omnivores. We can see in this picture in here, the beak would still be strong enough to grab and strike animals. Not to mention when combined with its agile long neck, certainly a strike wouldn't generate enough deadly force. But since they are toothless and their jaws don't seem fit for chewing, hunting small animals and plants would be all that this type of species can actually do. About its habit, Sittipati is believed to be a brooding creature. From the fossil record, at the first glance, it seemed like Sittipati was one of those type of dinosaur that would go steal eggs from another dinosaur nest. However, recent findings challenge that. The egg in an oviraptorate nest were arranged in circle with a space in center for the parent to sit and spread their feather arms over their incubating young. There's also another interesting theory that I would like to share. Why there is absolutely no evidence so far. Observation has been made that prehistoric parents' male birds, like ostrich, cassowaries, which Sittipati coincidentally share a very similar crest on top of its skull, tend to their young chick. So it would make sense if Sittipati is a doting parent. That will be the end of my presentation. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you very much.